Are you preparing for competitive exams? Or maybe just trying to level up your English skills? Subject-verb agreement is a game changer you need to master. But don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Stick around as we break it down step by step with examples and tips that will make this topic crystal clear. Subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is all about matching the subject and the verb in number and person. Think of it as making sure your sentence runs smoothly, like a well-oiled machine. Basic rule of subject-verb agreement. Here's the golden rule. A singular subject takes a singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, she runs every morning, singular. They run every morning, plural. Easy, right? Now, let's get into the fun stuff, special rules and common traps. Rules for different types of subjects. Compound subjects joined by and. When two singular nouns are joined by and, they take a plural verb. Example: Tom and Jerry are friends. Compound subjects joined by and. If they're joined by or, nor, the verb agrees with the subject closest to it. Example: either the teacher or the students have to go. Neither the students nor the teacher has the answer. Subjects with each or every. Pro tip: always check the subject closest to the verb for these cases. Here's a fun fact. When the subject starts with each or every, it's always singular, even if the subject sounds plural. Examples: every student has their book. Each of the boys plays football. Remember, each and every focus on individuals, not the group as a whole. Collective nouns. Collective nouns like team, family, or committee can be tricky. If the group acts as a single unit, the verb is singular. The team is playing well. But if you're talking about individuals within the group, the verb is plural. The team are arguing among themselves. Context is key. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns can be sneaky. Here's how to tackle them. Always singular. Words like everyone, nobody, and somebody take singular verbs. Example: everyone is invited. Always plural. Words like few, many, and several take plural verbs. Example: few have completed the task. Depends on context. Words like all and most depend on the noun they refer to. Example singular: most of the cake is gone. Example plural: most of the students are present. Titles of books and movies. Even if the title sounds plural, it's treated as singular. Example: The Lord of Rings is a famous book. Uncountable nouns. Words like water, furniture, and information always take singular verbs. Example: the information is helpful. Quantities. Match the verb to the noun after the quantity. Example: $10 are missing. Example: 10 liters of water is enough. Finally, let's look at common errors and how to avoid them. Incorrect. The information are helpful. Correct. The information is helpful. Incorrect. Neither the teacher nor the students was happy. Correct. Neither the teacher nor the students were happy. Incorrect. The committee are meeting today. Correct. The committee is meeting today. If referring to the group as a unit. Always double-check the subject before choosing your verb. Great job today. Subject-verb agreement might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll ace it in no time.